President Duterte traveled up north today to seek the people's support for administration candidates in the coming midterm elections. He also took the occasion to reiterate the government's campaign against the drug menace. Daniel Manalastas covered the event and he filed this report.
President Rodrigo Duterte has once again criticized the senatorial balls from the opposition or the Ocho Derecho during the PDP Laban campaign rally in Bangued, Abra. The president campaigned for the administration bet, including former Special Assistant to the President Bongo, Senator Coco Pimentel, Congressman Dong Mangudadatu, former Presidential Political Advisor Francis Tolentino, and former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa.
Alam mo, yung re-election, yung 8 diretso sa impyerno. Tingnan mo nga ang mga kandidato. Hindi ako nag-iinsulto.
First candidate from the Ocho Derecho that he blasted was former DILG Secretary Mar Rojas.
Si Rojas, anak ka ng siya yung promotor ng gambling. Hindi siya. He got into the wrong company. Alam mo ba kanyang police aide, senior police aide, ay si Garbo. Kasi nung nakita ko, dala ko yung si Padbato, buksan mo ang records. I realized then that I would be fighting my own government. 7 pulis nandyan sa listahan, puro general. Luot general.
Next is former Solicitor General Florino Hilbay.
Si Hilbay, sus Mariusep Ginoo. Mali pa ang tapos mahusay daw.
Magdalo Representative Gary Alejano.
Alejano, naku. Sila ni Trillanes, yung Magdalo, iwasan talaga nila. Bagay yung mga sundalo, hindi ko masisip. Pero nakita naman ninyo, walang ginawa.
Former Congressman Erin Tanyada.
Yan pa si Tanyada. Hanggang ngayon, may mga mahuli dyan ng mga komunista, nandyan siya. Abogado, sige, abogado. Wala na trabaho kung hindi council ng mga komunista. Walang ginawa. Anong ginawa ni Tanyada? Bigyan mo ako ng isang...
Senator Bam Aquino.
Bam Aquino. Sige lang daldal, wala maring iniwan na maganda.
Lawyer Romulo Macalintal and Shell Jokno.
Macalintal, yung abogado na marunong. Anong ginawa niyan kung hindi magdemanda ng mga opisyal? Ito si Shell Jokno. Yung isa na. Well, we need Adin. Hindi ito nagmana sa tatay. Kung ang tatay nito tigas, si W. Jokno, yun ang talagang saludo ako. Pero ito si Shell Jokno, walang ginawa ito kung hindi mag-participate ng rally.
Only Samira Gutok, the president, did not say anything. On the other hand, the president also criticized the idea of pre-election debate, saying that this platform will not bring out the best in one candidate.
Yung mga TV networks, may I remind you, good as any other time, puro ano lang kayo hindi naman kayo mga cameraman, just employees of the companies. Yung mag-sponsor ng tawag nilang presidential debates, dialogue, discourse. Sa tuwali, para lang makakaroon ng pera yan. You rake the money, but if you just give a candidate an hour, a minute and a half rather, walang masasabi yan. Then the intermissions and everything.
Lastly, he once again vows to pursue relentlessly the fight against illegal drugs and criminality for the betterment of every Filipinos. He reiterated that this is one of the main reasons why he prioritized the salary increase of soldiers and policemen to stop all those. Daniel Maralastas for The Nation, Bangged, Abra.